Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to the final part of my HoBao DC1 build series. This is the build completion according to the instructions, and let's take a look. Alright, look at some of the suspension movement. Alright, so what are my next steps for this truck? Well, the first thing I'll probably do is replace the wheels and tires. As I mentioned in an earlier video, the tires are a little bit too slick and not very sticky, so I will be switching those out with different tires. And while I'm at it, I'm probably going to switch out the wheels as well. Later on, I will probably be adding LED headlights, so I'll be adding a lighting setup to get this all lit up. What else is there? I may change this front bumper. It's rather large. I might look into getting a bumper that's a little bit smaller. Other things that I might change, well, right now I probably will run the stock electronics for now, or the electronics that I'm using in the build, which are the same as the RTR electronics, but in the future I may upgrade the servo as well as maybe change the ESC from the HoBeWing 1060 that's in there to a HoBeWing 1080. All in all, it was a fun build. Definitely some great new ideas from HoBao. And definitely a different way of doing things than some other crawlers. Mostly impressed with the quality of the build and quality of the pieces or parts. So all in all, great build. I think, with a little tweaking, this truck can actually be a great performer. So stay tuned for more videos with my HoBao DC1. Thanks for watching.